A metal credit card with no annual fee. Awesome. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe buttons down below. Also, if you have any interest in starting your own online business from scratch and having me guide you through the process, check out the link in the description below. Today we're going to do an in-depth review of the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card. I know that's a mouthful, so for the most part in this video, I'll just call it the Amazon Prime Card. On the whole, it's one of the best no annual fee cards that you can have that earns cash back. And if you do a lot of shopping online at Amazon.com, this card should definitely have a place in your wallet, or at least be added to your online Amazon account. Now, if you go online to look at the reviews of this credit card, there are a ton of ones that are really negative. However, I got my card back in 2018 and really have had zero issues with it. It's been easy to use, the rewards are fantastic. You simply add it to your account, and when you go to checkout, it's just automatically there and you buy your stuff. All right, and with that said, let's dive right into the review of this card. I'll first start off with a few drop tests for those of you out there who like metal credit cards. The Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card, which we'll now refer to as the Amazon Prime Card, has a sign-up bonus as of December 2020 of a $100 Amazon gift card that is issued to you immediately upon approval of the account. Now that is pretty cool because most cards, when they have a sign-up bonus, require a certain amount of spend within a certain time frame to get the reward. In this case, all you have to do is get approved for the card, and that $100 gift card will be automatically added to your online Amazon account. Next up, you will earn cash back on this credit card. The reward structure is as follows. It'll be 5% cash back at Amazon.com, 5% at Whole Foods Market, and then 2% at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores. Then 1% cashback on all other purchases. There is no annual fee on this card, but do be aware that there is an Amazon Prime membership fee each year of $119 that is subject to tax in select states. Where I live, there is a tax on my Amazon Prime membership, so that $119 a year is really close to like $128 per year. Something to be aware of is that when you earn cash back on this card, it is issued in the form of points, where 1 point equals 1 cent. So as an example here, 100 points would be worth $1, 1,000 points is $10, and 10,000 points is $100. Just take the amount of points you have, move the decimal over from the right to the left 2 spots, and you'll have your equivalent in cash. Then when you go to redeem your cash back in the form of points, there are a few different options that you have. The main ones are Amazon.com purchases, which you can do at checkout, or via your Chase online account, because again, this card is issued by Chase. And once you log into your Chase account, you'll be able to redeem those points for direct cash back into your account, redeem for gift cards, or redeem for travel. No matter which option you choose, your points will always be worth a penny each. So again, as an example, for every 1,000 points you have, that'll be $10 toward your redemption. Now, while you can view certain features of your card through your Amazon.com account, the best way to manage your account going forward is through the Chase portal. When you want to go manage your card, like seeing your balance or how many rewards points you have, simply log into Chase.com and then you'll be able to see your total point balance, which I've boxed there in red. Then if you click on the small hyperlinked text called redeem, a drop-down menu will appear where you can see additional details, shop with points, or redeem your rewards. In case your screen looks a little bit different, that's okay because mine is a combined personal and business Chase account. So my menus might look a little bit different than yours if you only have the personal account. Nonetheless, when you select on Redeem Rewards, it will take you to a page that looks something like this, where you can see your different options. There'll be Shop with Points at Amazon.com, the gift cards, travel, and cashback options, and at each step along the way, it shows you how many points you have and what they're worth in cash terms. That way, there's no confusion and the process remains very simple to use. Now, the card does come with some very useful perks and benefits, including bonus rewards at Amazon, which gives you up to 20% back on rotating Amazon categories and products every so often, and Prime Card Bonus, where you can get additional rewards on top of your everyday 5% back. Those bonus rewards offers are on a limited time basis, and they're exclusively for Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card members with an eligible Prime membership while supplies last. Now, to see that, what I recommend you do is you log into your Chase online account and click on your Amazon card, then pull up the menu and click on Card Benefits. From there, it will take you to another page that looks like this. You can scroll through each of the benefits, and toward the bottom, there'll be one that says Prime Card Bonus. When you click on the links below, it will then take you to another page that looks like this one here, showing you all the different categories where we can earn additional rewards. A few examples at the time when I took this screenshot was 10% back on select digital gaming products, 15% back on print magazines, 15% back on Tempur-Pedic mattresses, and the list goes on from there. There are a ton of great options in a variety of different categories. So if you've been using this card for a while now, earning that 5% back at Amazon.com, you've been doing a great job with that. Keep it up. This card is extremely useful for those Amazon purchases, but just be aware that if you go onto your Chase account and view the benefits page of your Amazon Prime card, you'll be able to see a much wider array of options that you have to earn additional rewards to save you more money. Now, this next section might surprise a lot of you. This card is a great retail card when you're shopping online on Amazon, but there are also some fantastic insurance and protections that come with this card geared for travelers. Here are several screenshots that I merged together for you to show all of the different insurance and protections, including auto rental collision damage waiver, baggage delay insurance, roadside dispatch. There are no foreign transaction fees on this card, which is phenomenal, lost luggage reimbursement protection, travel and emergency assistance, travel accident insurance, and there are no blackout dates or restrictions on airline tickets booked through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Then there are also a couple more protections here in the shopping category, the first of which is purchase protection, and the other one is extended warranty protection. And the list keeps on going. As a Visa Signature card, you get access to a couple more benefits, the first of which is the concierge service if you ever want help planning travel, getting tickets, etc. And also the Visa Signature Luxury Hotel Collection, where there are almost 1,000 different hotels in the portfolio, and when you book through that portal, you can get the best available rate, automatic room upgrades when they're available, special amenities and perks during your trip, and more. It's kind of like getting VIP perks that simulate a certain level of elite status and a lot of programs where you may not have elite status normally. Okay, I'm now going to answer the number one biggest question that I see people ask about this card. If you have an Amazon Prime account right now, and then you cancel that Amazon Prime account, will you keep earning 5% cashback on this card or not? Your card account will no longer earn 5% back and will earn 3% back instead if the Amazon.com account from which you applied for your card account or the Amazon.com account you confirmed and selected to earn 5% back no longer has an eligible Prime membership. So what does that mean? If you have Prime right now, you get the Prime card, then you cancel your Prime membership, then this card will no longer earn 5%. Instead, it will start functioning like the non-Prime version of this card, which earns 3%. You also will not earn the 5% cashback if your account no longer has your card account loaded in that Amazon.com account, if your card is closed, or if you select a different card account to earn 5% back, or if your account is used to apply for another Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature card account that was approved and loaded into that account. In other words, if you got a new Amazon card, then that new card would be earning that 5% back and the points would be associated with that card. And there's one more thing you want to be aware of as well. This card, as I mentioned before, is issued by Chase, and you all know what that means. There's this beautiful thing called the 524 rule from Chase, and basically what it means is if you've opened up 5 or more credit cards with any bank appearing on your credit report, then Chase will automatically deny you for any of its cards. So pull up your Credit Karma or Experian account and look at all the accounts you have open, look at the dates that they opened, and if you've opened up 5 or more cards in the past 2 years, then you won't be eligible to get this card. Now for all of you out there who want a metal credit card with no annual fee, for some great drop tests and tons of cash back in your pocket, the second big question is, should you get it? Let's find out. You should consider getting this card if you spend a lot at Amazon.com and or Whole Foods Markets. Also, if you already have an Amazon Prime membership that you've been paying for in the past, this is a great way to put an additional 5% back in your pocket that you have not been earning before this card. It's also a great credit card to consider if you value cash back with no annual fee and potentially want a long-term keeper card. An important factor to building a healthy credit score is the length of credit history. The longer the better, especially if it's positive history. So ideally, getting this card early on in your credit building career is ideal because it costs you nothing. All that said, you should not consider this card if you don't spend much on Amazon or Whole Foods and if you prefer travel rewards. Now this card does have decent travel benefits, especially the fact that it has no foreign transaction fees on a no-fee card. That's pretty rare to find these days. But in general, if you want to reduce the cost of your travel, then a cashback card is usually not the best option to pick. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, if you're in the market to apply for a new card, I do have some referral links down below, so if you value the information that I put inside these videos, I appreciate it if you use those for your applications. There's also another link down there that will help you build your own business and have me guide you through the process if that interests you. And lastly, I'm sure I'm not the only one on the planet who has this card, so if you have it too, let me know in those comments. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I will see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.